Well, another nice day. Hardly a cloud in the sky today, which is pretty good because lately it's been cloudy and not so good. Just testing out the new phone, see what the video's like. Hopefully it's better than the last one, which was rubbish. Well, I had a bit of a problem with the swimming pool over the last few years. This skimmer this side has just stopped working, so it's all having to be excavated. I can't quite see it down there. But the pipe had kinked here, and also the pipe had kinked. You can see this one. The pipe down there is kinked as well. God knows how. And it's also developed a leak, so I've been losing some water. So it's all going to have new pipe work going over there to the pump house. Yeah, more expense. So a lot of the new pipe work's in now. It's over there. There's another skimmer. I did actually find some leaks. It's leaking down the bottom apparently in both the skimmers. So that should save some money on water. Yeah, I can see that there's no leak now because there's water in there. Hopefully they'll be finished by Monday. So we're in Corralejo. Some friends of ours have invited us around for a meal in their rental villa while they're here. It's nice. Quite a nice view. See right over to Lanzarote. I'll zoom in. There's Lobos Island there. And Lanzarote over there. A little bit hazy. Nice blue sea. Where are we off to, boys? Eh? Where are we off to? We're off to a fundraising, aren't we? For Fuerteventura Dog Rescue. We've even got Sue with us. Right, let's go and see what it's like. Well, the dogs have got food. I haven't got any food.
I would like to work with them because
when you're
talking about the
Sue's got, that's right, too.
And I'll tell you
There's more, I just didn't get a lot.
All me, oh me, oh me, all mine.
Wonders will never cease. The dogs are quiet. Oscar's lying down. Must be because it's time to go. He normally does that. So when we finished at the dog rescue brunch, I decided to walk the dogs home, and Sue drove the car. And got home, we settled down on the settee to watch the Moto3, Moto2 and MotoGP. The dogs fell fast asleep. And it got to 5:45 and I very quietly said to Sue, I think I've got away without taking them for the proper walk today. 2 minutes later, Oscar woke up and started whinging and whining because he hadn't been for his walk. So we're out. Typical, I should have kept my big mouth closed. Well, that was lucky. I just dropped the camera. Not for the first time, I have to say. I mean, this camera's been dropped dozens of times over the last 3.5 years of making videos with it. So anyway, I picked it up and turned it on, and the autofocus wasn't working. It only focused in one particular distance, so I messed around with it for ages and it wouldn't go, and in desperation I took the battery out and put it back in again, and it's working. Thank goodness for that. So we're going to have a little bit of building work done. We're going to have our front gates replaced because the posts just keep going here. You can see there's a big gap down there, so the gate just keeps dropping. I have to keep repairing it, Sue struggles to open them because probably can't do this with one hand. Really, you need to lift this up and then, well, see, I can't even do it. To do it with my knee, you have to lift this gate and then it drops. So we're having new gates, which I bought on the internet very cheaply. Oh, stupid gate. So we need to have some pillars built either side, there and there, to mount the gates on. So these are the gates I bought. They're second hand. I paid €30 for them, which I think was rather a bargain. But these are what they mount on. So we're going to need the blocks built so that these can be mounted on them, and then the gates will hang from those, and then once they're hung I'm going to paint them. So that should be worthwhile. Hopefully it'll all be done in a few days. Well, they still need painting and a bit of finishing off, but they certainly look better than they did, and they open easily, which makes a change. Sue's happy-ish. Look at that. Easy. Now, do you think Oscar doesn't actually want to go home after our walk? This is what happens every night. We've done our walk all the way around there, all the way around there, back here, and then we get to here, and there's Oscar standing a lead away, and he doesn't want to come over here. Come on, Oscar, it's time to go home. Oscar, come on. Oh, finally. Oh, it's so sad to come to the end of your walk, isn't it? Poor Oscar. Come on, in the car. Time to go home. Come on. Oh, move. Move. Go on, move. Go on, up in the car. Yeah, like he's going to do that on his own. Stupid John has to lift him every time. Come on. No. Come on, up you get. Go on, jump. Jump. Jump, Oscar. Go on, jump. Jump. Go on, up you get. Go on, up you get. Jump. Go on. Oh, you stupid dog. God, you're so lazy. Right. Stop the video, put you in the car. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye. Well, just doing a quick test of the new phone. See what the video quality is like. It's got to be better than the last phone, which was absolute rubbish. But we will see. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here today. Summer seems to have finally arrived because it's been rather cloudy, overcast and not so good the last few weeks, but that looks like it's a thing of the past. Hopefully we'll be in the pool soon. Jensen just sunning himself there. What a hairy dog you are. Sit. What a hairy dog you are. Sit. Sit. Stay. What a hairy dog you are. As if by magic. What a change. Oh, I don't know quite what this is. Some kind of a praying mantis or something. I've never seen one that colour before.
Solution to sparkling wine. Or you could do something German ourselves. That's not something else. But and then came Prosecco, and then came all the different French, and then finished ending up with champagne. But car would always be that thing you like set. So the cheap car we got in Denmark, not so much, but then you just go here and see the selection of different cars. There's so much to choose from.
I only do it to piss you off.
I know you do. And it does.
Oh, I don't take those.
Obviously, you're not recording sound as well.
Oh, it's fine. I may not use it. Excuse me. All right, darling. I know how much you like me doing it.
Every time.
Well, yet another grotty afternoon in El Cotillo. Why do we have to live like this? It's just not fair. Oop, nearly fell over there, and it's a big drop down here. Just popped over to meet some friends for coffee. Who knows, perhaps we'll actually get on the beach soon, maybe. Some people do it, as you can see down there. Not that we'd go to this beach, because there are far better beaches. Quite a few people in the sea over there. Right, let's go and see if our friends have arrived. Go on, Oscar. This way, boy. Good boy. Good boy, Oscar. You peacemaker. Let's go and catch them up.